Thank you. Good morning, everyone, Mr. Chair and our committee members. On behalf of our DepDev Mimaropa Regional Director, Agustin C. Mendoza, please allow me to present the calendar year 2025 fourth quarter Regional Project Monitoring and Evaluation System or RPMES report. So this would be our last RPMES report for the calendar year 2025. So you may refer po to the reference folder for the SEC brief of this report. And just as a backgrounder, the Regional Project Monitoring Committee, as we all know, monitors, evaluates, and formulates recommendations on the implementation of development plans and programs in the region. Project monitoring is conducted in support of good governance, transparency, accountability, and evidence-based decision-making throughout a program or project's life cycle. So its goal po is to keep track of the critical variables that could influence how successfully a project or a program is implemented and to provide reporting systems that enable timely correction or avoidance of implementation bottlenecks. For the fourth quarter of 2025, I am pleased to report that we again got one of our highest participation or engagement rate when it comes to reporting compliance of our implementing agencies because 31 government agencies submitted data in the system and reported the status of 652 projects amounting to roughly 75 billion pesos implemented in the Mimaropa region. So these agencies were as follows. Under the Development Administration sector, we have seven: the city governments of Calapan and Puerto Princesa, the NHA, provincial governments of Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Palawan, and Romblon. For economic sector, we have four: DA, DENR, NIA, and PCSD. Under the infrastructure sector, we have 13: DICT Mimaropa, DOE, DOTR, DPWH, DPWH District Engineering Offices of Marinduque, Mindoro Oriental, Palawan 2nd, Palawan 3rd, Romblon, and Southern Mindoro. We also have LUA, NPC or Napocor, and PPA PMO Mindoro. And lastly, for social sector, we have seven: the DOH, DOLE, DSWD, and four universities: MINSU, PSU, RSU, and WPU. So for the number of projects by threshold cost, out of the total 652 projects in the CY 2025 reporting period, 159 projects or 24.39% were major capital projects amounting to 47.52 billion pesos, while 493 projects or 75.61% were non-major capital projects amounting to 27.64 billion pesos. So the major capital projects or those projects with cost allotment of 200 million pesos and above include the following nine implementing agencies. For under the city government of Puerto Princesa, we have the project of completion of new city health complex. I believe this is along the Raffles Road of Barangay Santa Monica. For NHA, again, still the permanent housing program concerning the Yolanda, in which later we will be relatively anticipate a presentation from the implementing agency, from NHA regarding the program implementation. I think this covers the province of Palawan. And next is for DA, the supplies and delivery of NSIC and hybrid rice seeds in the provinces of Mindoro and Palawan, as well as the bags of complete fertilizers in the same two provinces, both covering year 2025. For DOTR, the airport development expansion of Pag-asa Island Airport, particularly the extension of runway strip. And the second one is the Puerto Princesa International Airport Development Project, specifically the asphalt overlay of runway. And for DPWH, our usual infrastructure projects: flood control mitigation structures, drainage systems, sustainable infrastructure projects, alleviating gaps or CPAG projects, shore protection, coastal road, boulevard, and causeway, seawalls, river bank protections, road dikes, esplanade, circumferential access tourism roads, roads and or bridges, airport multipurpose building or facilities, slope protections, rehabilitation of roads with slips, roadway lighting structures, and road widening projects. For Napocor, we have supply erection or installation of electrical voltage project. This is along the segment of Mogpog to Buenavista. And for PPA PMO Mindoro, we have the seaport expansion project for two municipalities. That's the municipality of Bulalakaw and Rojas. For DOLE, the TUPAD or Tulong Panghanap Buhay sa Ating Disadvantaged Workers. This is just a continuation of the TUPAD project from the previous years. Specifically, this is for 2025. For the DSWD, our social projects for peace, no? Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program, Sustainable Livelihood Program, Supplementary Feeding Program, Social Pension Program for indigent senior citizens, and lastly, assistance to individuals in crisis situation. So that's it po for the number of projects by threshold cost. So those are the projects or the major capital projects and the 9 implementing agencies. Moving on in the implementation status by quantity of the reported 652 total projects, 348 projects or 53.37% were completed. 27 projects or 4.14% were on schedule. 143 projects or 21.93% were ahead of schedule, and 134 projects or 20.55% encountered problems in the implementation, or those projects that encountered implementation concerns, or those that are delayed. And speaking of implementation, on the implementation status by costs of the reported total amount of 75.16 billion pesos, 35.13% were completed, and that amounts po to 26.41 billion pesos. 1.47% were on schedule, amounting to 1.11 billion pesos. 36.74% were ahead of schedule, amounting to 27.61 billion pesos. And lastly, 26.66% or projects amounting to 20.04 billion pesos encountered problems in the implementation. So just to summarize po the previous slides, of the reported 652 total projects, 348 projects or 53.37% were completed, amounting to 26.41 billion pesos. 27 projects or 4.14% were on schedule, amounting to 1.11 billion pesos, while 143 projects or 21.93% were ahead of schedule, amounting to 27.61 billion pesos. And lastly, a total of 134 projects, that's 20.55%, amounting to 20.04 billion pesos, encountered problems or implementation concerns with the following breakdown. So we have the City Government of Puerto Princesa, 5 projects, NHA 4, 3, Provincial Government of Occidental Mindoro, 2, Provincial Government of Palawan, 2, DA Mimaropa, 4, DENR 1, NIA Mimaropa, 1, DOE 1, DOTR 2, DPWH Mimaropa, 37 projects, DPWH Marinduque DEO, 7 projects, DPWH Mindoro Oriental DEO, 10, DPWH Palawan 2nd DEO 19, DPWH Palawan 3rd DEO 3, DPWH Romblon DEO 7, and DPWH Southern Mindoro DEO 8. We also have LUA 1, 6 for NPC, 2 for PPAPMO Mindoro. For social sector agencies, DOH Mimaropa 1, DSWD 1, for universities Minsu 1, PSU 6, RSU 2, and WPU 2. And that's totaling 25 implementing agencies. All right, so Mr. Chair, the action requested is approval for this presentation on the CY 2025 fourth quarter RPMES report. This already wraps our presentation. Thank you very much.